Culture Shock Bistro, just the name itself, it's about culture, bringing food through culture and wine pairing. So we are really looking forward to bring the next level of food and wine experience to Tri-Cities.
I love this community, and I think Nena feels equally. So we're trying to just embrace the community, and a lot of what makes our community so unique is the diversity of cultures. This is basically a celebration of that. I share a passion for wine. I mean, that's just been my affinity for a number of years. And, I always like to say that wine drinks better with food and food eats better with wine. So it's a great merriment, and Nena's an excellent chef. So we want to basically produce a fabulous experience here for not only our community members, our locals, but also people visiting outside the area. We're in a very centralized location. Within a 60-mile radius, you can hit some pretty amazing growing regions here within the Tri-Cities. And so that in itself is something unique from a global wine perspective scale. We're sitting in a hub, a super quality hub of wine production. And so as a community, I think as we continue to embrace this with the food and wine culture, we're gonna expand from that and really it's going to help, I think, not only the tourism, but just the overall pride in our community that we do have something special here.